Michigan Central Station opened in 1914, grand, full of promise, but by 1988, the last train left the station, and for decades it sat broken and forgotten. Then came restoration with faith, time, and investment. The station was reborn in 2024, stronger than before, full of purpose. Marriage is no different. Date nights hit just right because marriage is worth the investment. It takes time, faith, and communication for you to move forward in a marriage. You don't have to shrink yourself or neglect your own emotional needs to validate your spouse. Mature adults ask good questions, seek to understand, not just to be understood. Restoration in marriage, like in business, comes through strength, self-discipline, and humility. What was once broken can rise again, not back to what it was, but forward into something greater.